Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu syrup. First, gather your ingredients: strong brewed coffee, granulated sugar, and water. The syrup is crucial for moistening the ladyfingers and infusing your dessert with that classic coffee flavor. Ensuring your coffee is robust is the first step to a truly delicious tiramisu. To begin, brew 1 cup of very strong coffee. Espresso is ideal, but a dark roast will also work beautifully. For an extra layer of flavor, you can stir in 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur, like Kahlua or Tia Maria. It's important to let this coffee base cool down completely before moving on to the next step. Now, in a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly, until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove the pan from the heat and carefully stir in your cooled, strong coffee. This creates the perfect balance of sweetness and coffee intensity. Once your syrup is prepared, allow it to cool completely to room temperature. This ensures it won't cook your ladyfingers when you dip them. You can store any leftover syrup in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, ready for your next tiramisu creation. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.